Okay, this is another drawing in skill set 1, and this is the where there's arrows on both sides. Now, with this drawing, it also shows that we can do it with a box, or if you want, you can do it another way, and I'll show you. Okay, so let's just say we have this one off to the side. Okay, so basically we know the dimensions of everything here. Okay. So let's see if we can draw this without the box. So if we come over here, we know we have a 1-inch line, right? And we know that we have, if we wanted to, we have a 45-degree angle. So if we come over here, we can just, we know this is 0 because we can see our green dashed line. We know that's 15. We know that's 30. And we know that that's 45, right? So we could go ahead and just set that in place. Okay, now the distance from here to here, it says right here is 3, but if we know this is 1 inch, we know that it's a 2. Okay, because it shows a 2 right here. This and this length here would be the same. So now what we want to do is find that length. So now all we have to do here is we can draw a line from here up to here, and we can tell it offset. We can say offset, and we're going to tell it 2 inches. We're going to click the line, and we want to go this side. Okay, so now we know we can trim this off. Okay, and we no longer need that line. Now we could go ahead and we could draw a line that is 1 inch here, and we can go down 1 inch because that's what it is, and then we want to look at this line right here and say, well, what exactly is the length of this here? So if this is 2, this is 3, okay, and then we have another 3, so this must be 2 inches right here. Okay, so let's see if that's correct. So let's draw a line here, and let's tell it 2 inches. Okay, now what we can do is we can come over here, and we no longer need to draw anything else with this drawing. Now we can come and we can say mirror, and we can select here, here, and here. And we could do it on the base, the midpoint here. Let's just rotate it around and hit enter. Okay. Now we can draw a line from this midpoint to this midpoint. And now we can hit mirror again. And we could simply grab this, 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 this one, and then the singular line here, hit the midpoint here, and we just simply rotate it around. And we can erase this and erase that, and we have just completed this drawing right here. Let's check our dimensions and see if they are the same. Let's see, we need an overall from here to here. Is it correct? Yep. Okay, what other dimensions do we need? We need a dimension from here to here. Is that correct? Yep, it's the same thing. We need a dimension from here to here. Pull him out. Looks really well. Now if we wanted to continue the dimension, we could tell it to here. So we could have the 2. Then if we need an overall dimension, just like what it's got, we can go from here to here. Okay. Then we need a dimension that is right here to right here. And then we need an angular dimension, which is this one. So we could go here, okay, and the second line, and then we could just pull it out to there. Now these two drawings, if we were to take and we were to move this one on top of this one, they are identical, okay, in size.